Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or turn off your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So we have two ways how to do it. The first one is via key combination and the second one via control center. Let's start with the keys. So on the right edge, you have three buttons, which is power button, volume down, and volume up. To open the power off menu, we would need to hold the power button and volume down button. So let's do it. I'll hold it until the power off menu will appear on my screen. And here is it how it looks. If you would like to turn off your phone, you would need to simply click on this power off button and then tap on it again to turn off your phone. Also, here we got an option to restart it, and it works the same as the power off button. So the second way is we would need to swipe down 2 times, and here we are on the control center. If we will take a close look on the upper part of your phone, here you can notice this power button. If we will click on it, the same power off menu will appear on your screen. We got the same options here and it works exactly the same. And by clicking on this button, you will turn off your phone. And now, if you would like to turn on your phone back, we would need to simply hold this power button for a few seconds until on your screen will appear the Samsung logo. Here is it how it looks, and now our phone will be turning on for a while. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.